We're back in the
Yeah. I don't know why we came back to this place.
Yeah.
Nah, man, why are you going to the Amazon tree forest?
Just going to the Amazon.
We're in Brazil, by the way. Definitely not down my road. Oh, fuck me.
No, man, watch out. You're going to get rabies from that. Look at that. That looks like rabies completely. So
What are we looking at, by the way?
Got this mountain to climb.
Quickly. Can you?
Oh, gee.
I definitely didn't kick him over it. Boys, why are we in like fucking name?
As I lead the way, things start to get close.
Okay then. Let's go. Halfway down. Okay, to 16 more. Can you fucking walk? Ah, there's a thorn stuck up my asshole. It doesn't. Wait, there's dead set thorn stuck up my asshole.
What?
Oh my god.
Torn. Watch out for the tornadoes. I'm getting horny.
Oh, fuck. Don't maybe swing a branch on me. So what? Swing a branch on me?
To the end. It's been
Like,
so long.
yeah, like we cut all half of it, but it took us like an hour to get down here. We cut like half of the video out. Man, my legs. We should have brought a drink.
I'm not even joking. Something just flew right into it, and that's not even for the video. Literally a little fly.
Yeah, it happened to me before. Wait, can you take this? Can you take this? Just take the fucking camera. Oh my god.
Here, just gonna talk to you guys. Hello, pissy. Hello, pissy.
Man, I'll lead the way.
Yeah, because I'm doing slow boost. My leg is short.
Fucking donkey.
I didn't hurt any parts of my body. I swear, yeah, my leg hit off one of them.
I swear, if I get rabies off you, I'm gonna sue you.
You get rabies, yeah. I get a broken leg. Easy stuff. My leg is so sore
Why are we just like in someone's back? No, we're in the Amazon. We're not in someone's backyard. We're in the Amazon. Boys, it's open up down here. Man, show some respect to the Amazon. Don't show grass on it. Oh, fuck it. It's that shit. I'm gonna do parkour. Look at me. Oh. Still. How is the fly? Or an edifly? What? Nah. I'm sorry. What is that? Man, is that rabies? Man, it's actually a dog barking at me. Show some fucking respect. Man, there's more rabies.
There's someone here with us, I swear to God.
That's it, because you're starting to creep me out, man. Can you stop coughing, man?
That fly is so bad.
How do you know? It could have been a bumblebee.
That
Okay.
little hanging thing. What the fuck? Yo, nah.
Man, I didn't know there's a house in the back of the Wait, there's a football there. Is there a football? I dare you go for football. Wait, so what are you trying to do? You want to make for a run for it through this house, see where we end up?
Yeah.
Yes, go. I said make a run for it, you retard, not walk. So, 3, 2, 1, go! You meant to make it fucking dramatic, you retard. Go, Oren. Run. Run. I'll put some music in it. Let's go. Where is he going? I don't believe it.
You ready? Watch this. Bye. He turns up. Guys. Bale goes and celebrates.
What are you, Bale? Man.